All right, how you doing? So, eating with locals. What is eating with locals? Well, pretty much what it says on the tin. I'm going to go out, I'm going to eat with a local food, or their local food. Today we're going to eat with Noshad, good friend of mine. Noshad is from Kerala. Kerala is a southern state of India. We're going to eat some lovely, lovely breakfast. Let's go. Okay, so here I am in a lovely little restaurant, beautiful actually, with my good friend, Noshad, very beautiful man. We're going to order some breakfast, so we're doing Kerala breakfast today. Looking forward to it. Noshad, what we got then? What did you order?
We ordered some puri masala,
Okay.
putte combination of chickpeas and this papad. If there's your option, but we will bring all this. Papad, chickpeas, and what else? Banana, the small banana which I brought now.
Are we going to get a dosa?
Dosa,
Fantastic.
idiyappam. I don't know, appam.
Appam, we know that, we know that. We're about to see it all.
Yeah.
Okay, what's this?
Idli, sambar as a side dish for chutney.
Okay.
And this is puri.
Puri.
And puri combination of, this is called bhaji. You know how to make this one. Potato, yes.
I certainly do.
One day I taste it.
It's good?
I didn't believe that you made.
Thanks mate, thanks mate.
And this is putte. This is the idiyappam.
Okay.
And this is what? This is combination of put. This is fish called mati.
Okay.
Mati curry. What is in English? This is egg roast.
Egg roast.
Okay. This is
And this is
paratha.
just, this is breakfast.
This is breakfast.
My
breakfast,
God.
yeah. This is Kerala
So much stuff.
breakfast. Yeah. And we brought some banana. If you like to eat putte with banana, is type of combination.
Fantastic. And you see the butter, you can get that with like red one. You can get
There is different, all flavor. Yeah.
Yeah, different. You get like
they put
they
some,
use a red rice, don't they? And they
yeah,
use
they,
like a
they
marble.
use, yes,
different ones.
they make with the beetroot. Some of them they make with carrot, the peeled one.
Some of them are even stuffed, aren't
Stuffed,
they?
yes,
With
yes.
like chicken inside and stuff like that.
Yes.
Well,
More variety.
I am very, very excited.
So
I am excited.
this is the actually.
So what do we do now? Should we eat or are we going to keep chatting?
We will eat.
Well, let's eat, man.
Yeah.
Let's do it. All right. That's great.
Yeah. This is how putte kadala is called.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh,
You try 1 minute. Take one piece.
thanks, mate. So I'm going to take a piece
No,
now.
take all one piece.
I'm going to take like that.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Take. Yeah.
And we just eat with banana. Just
No. Just mix it with. Just mix. I will show you. Take half.
I've got it. I've got half.
Okay. Just half like this. And banana a little bit.
Mash it up.
Yeah, mash it. And just eat.
See, that cools that down because that's quite spicy. That
Yeah.
for breakfast, that is quite spicy.
Quite so.
So Kerala,
But yeah.
Kerala
we
itself.
used to eat another way with banana,
Yeah.
chickpeas curry, or the only plain papad. Mix it. They don't have papad actually. So
this is great.
how-
I mean, I really like that.
Yeah.
I like the fact that this cools this down. That cools you down
so
a bit.
this is the putte how we works.
Let's move on. What do I do
This
here?
is idli now. Idli just as usual.
Yeah.
You can put this is chutney and this is sambar.
Yeah.
Just top it up.
They look quite big, them idli.
Yeah.
I've usually seen them a bit smaller than
Some size, yeah. This
Yeah.
is depend the tray they have.
The dish they cook
different
in,
mixture,
yeah.
cooking.
that. Right, so I'm just going to break some off here. And then we're going to go with a little bit of chutney here. Again, coconut.
Yeah.
Kerala is coconut, isn't it?
Without coconut, no life in
No
Kerala.
life.
No life in Kerala.
And Kerala's also, I mean, you've been a spice trading place
Yes.
forever, for thousands of years, isn't it? So
Black pepper,
cardamom.
coffee, cardamom. Chili is not that much. Chili mainly in Rajasthan, I think, in the Hyderabad, Andhra, in that type. That's place.
And the food from Kerala tastes quite different
Different. Yes.
from other parts of India,
Yes.
isn't
Yes.
it?
Yes.
It's not
Big
quite a
different.
unique thing. I'll tell you what I found out.
Especially we using why because the Kerala people only mostly cooking by coconut oil only.
Yeah,
Because
no coconut, no
the
life.
others,
I love that.
the other place they are using different. What is there available easily? That oil they use. But in
Now-
our place,
Only coconut.
coconut because we have plenty coconut trees.
Now, what I found out, which I never knew this, right, is I think it's the most religiously diverse state, isn't it? So you've got Muslims there,
Yeah, we mix.
Christians. You've got the
Hindus.
Syrian Christians.
Yes, yes, yes. We have in my house here, next neighbors, 3 Christians and 3-4 Hindus.
Yeah. Just completely mixed.
We mix. We mix. No issue, nothing.
Right, I'm going in again here.
Celebrate all.
Bit of samba.
Yeah. Sambar.
So in here is like some carrots, drumsticks.
There is no formality how we eat. You can eat how the way you like. And especially we careless using hand. We never use knife and fork.
Never. Okay. So what do I eat this fish with?
Fish
Anything
with,
I want.
as you like. I just order. Idiyappam.
Okay.
No, we will start with the
Puri.
puri. Take
Okay.
off,
I've got.
break it.
I'm breaking it. I'm breaking it, man. Stop ordering me around.
Puri with bhaji.
Okay. So this is this. This would be the same
This
as
is the
inside
wheat
the.
powder.
But this is like the same that's inside the masala dosa.
Masala dosa. Yeah.
It's the same as inside.
Yeah, same.
Okay. So potato,
yeah, potato.
black mustard seeds,
Yes.
curry leaves.
Yeah, yeah. Exactly. So this is puri bhaji.
I could eat this forever. This particular dish, I love it.
You made it, one day you make for me.
I make for you. That's right.
Especially for this.
Yeah, I'm so happy with that. That chickpea is hot, man.
Short spicy.
It's very spicy. Yeah, I'm so happy with that. I mean, if I was trapped on a desert island, I think actually a masala dosa is what I'd have. If I could only choose a food to ever eat again, it would be masala
This is
dosa.
masala dosa.
Yeah,
This
I just
masala
love
is inside. This is the masala
Yeah.
what they keep.
Right. This is divine.
Delicious.
Now, I had it's a very similar thing in Sri Lanka that we're going to get onto.
You've been to Sri Lanka, yeah?
Many
I see,
times.
Yeah.
This is string hoppers in Sri Lanka.
Okay.
You know, so it's a very similar thing. That's also available in Sri Lanka in a big way. And again, there's not a million miles between them, is it?
Okay. Yeah.
You're not far in the distance. It's not that far. Yeah, this is great, man. I'm loving this so much. This is egg fry or egg roast.
Egg roast combination with
Looks like a lot of onions here.
egg
That's
roast
nice. That's good. That's onions
mixed with this.
mixed with one of these.
Yeah.
Again,
Take
just,
all.
I'm just going to break a bit off. There's a lot to go through here, man.
Idiyappam.
I love it. I think I'm going to move to Kerala. Now, tell me a little bit about Kerala. So you've got loads of coastline and amazing canals. You've got loads of canals, haven't you?
Canals, yes.
With
yes.
all the boats
Rivers,
on them.
Yeah.
Lots of, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful.
Canals they made for agriculture purpose. They divide the water source.
So fish is a massive thing to eat in Kerala,
This
obviously.
is Kerala's favorite fish. Cheap and best.
Cheap and best.
Healthy. Available. Every season is available. It's not a season. All year you will get.
It's great as well.
Yeah. How's that? Spicy?
No, it's amazing. I love it. I love the idea of the banana with that. It just
Still not
it
enough.
just really cools it down, because when something's a bit hot, you can go down and go, right, okay.
Yes. Some of them
It's like a fire extinguisher. Yeah. Okay, and then I'm now going to go for the dosa. I'm going to bring that over here.
dosa you can use this all.
Now, there's no coconut chutney, is there?
This is the chutney.
This one? Yeah, okay.
And this is for the dosa. Same. Sambar.
Yes. Yeah, this is it for me.
Really?
It's the king of food. Yeah. I love it. Yeah. So
What
I'll
else?
see if I can open it up, because it's got a potato curry inside, which we were eating earlier. And yeah, this is it for me. This is the one. Bit of potato.
Paisam. This is paisam. Sweet. The last.
What is that?
This is called paisam. This is noodles maybe with milk, some ghee.
Okay.
Very special made by.
Thanks,
something
man. Yeah. This is it for me. When we leave here, I'm going to order about 3 of these to take away. Okay. That's excellent. Oh man, this is so good. This is so good. I can just keep going. Eat the, is that roast? You call it egg roast?
This is egg roast.
Yeah.
Let me try.
That's really nice. It's got some like star anise in it as well. You can taste the star anise in there. Okay. Yeah. That's my favourite thing ever.
Is it?
Ever. I'm in love with it. In love with it. Okay. Very good.
This is a Indian pizza actually. Like a pizza. People hungry,
This is what you go for.
you go for this only. Easy. Some of the place only dosa. Dosa and tea. There is no other dishes.
Just dosa and tea.
Yes, dosa and tea.
That sounds
Like a
like-
pizza, you know.
That sounds like heaven to me. I love dosa and I'm English, so I get tea.
Yeah.
It's just perfect.
One dosa, one tea. Full energy. So purpose everybody working hard in the street, in the garden, agriculture. Those people just want dosa and one tea. It will take 4 hour energy.
I think when I finish this, I'm going back to bed. I don't have any energy, I'm tired.
I know.
It's made me tired. It's filled me up so much. But there you go. This is it. A wonderful breakfast with no shard.
What do you used to eat? Bread? Breakfast?
Well, English people eat fried breakfast, fried eggs, sausage, bacon, blah, blah, blah. That's a traditional breakfast. But most people just eat cornflakes and toast now and then get out of the house and go to work. But nothing like this. This is a feast. This is a feast.
At home, ladies, they have a busy with making breakfast only in Kerala, you know. I have to make everything this. Not everything. One of those items.
It would take all bloody day, wouldn't it? It would take all day. Right, that's it. That is it. A breakfast fit for a king. That really is amazing. About to stuff this in my gob, thank you. No shard, thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Next we've got to go for lunch
Why not?
or dinner. Sounds good?
You arrange. Your time is.
You pay for it, I'll pay for breakfast, you pay for lunch.